In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a seller on Etsy. First, log into your Etsy account from your browser or app. Next, go to the seller shop or the listing you want to report. For example, let's say you want to report the seller of this item. What you have to do is to just click on the item. Then scroll down until you see Meet Your Seller. Click the drop-down, and you'll see the name of the owner. Click on it. Now, scroll down and look for the Report This Item to Etsy or Report This Shop link. Click on the link, then select the reason for your report from the options provided. For example, I'll choose They Sell Items That Don't Meet Etsy's Policies. Then below, you can specify which policies they don't meet. Add any additional details that will help Etsy understand the issue. Finally, click Submit to send your report. Etsy's support team will review your report and take appropriate action. And that's it. You've successfully reported a seller on Etsy. Thanks for watching.